For this video, we're checking out this wireless baby car camera. Now, if you've ever used a regular baby car mirror, you know it can be difficult to see, especially at night. This here takes it to the next level with a real HD monitor and some really helpful features. You get a 4.3-inch high-def display paired with a rear camera that mounts right on the headrest. It's got infrared night vision built in, so when you're driving in the dark, it automatically switches over without that red light glow that can bother your baby's eyes, and it gives you a crystal clear picture day or night. I also like that it's completely wireless. It uses a 2.4 gigahertz connection directly from the monitor to the camera, so there's no Wi-Fi, no apps, no messy cables running through your car, and if you need a closer look, it's got 4x zoom plus a 120-degree wide-angle view, so you can always see exactly how your little one's doing in the back seat. Now, the battery life is also a strong point. The built-in 10,000 mega-amp hour battery runs up to 32 hours on a single charge, and if you keep it plugged in your car charger, it'll automatically power on and off with the vehicle. Setup is super simple. Just attach the camera to the headrest, turn on the monitor, and it pairs automatically. Plus, the camera is stable, so you don't have to worry about it bouncing or shaking while you're driving. Overall, this wireless baby car camera is a must-have. It's easy to set up, it's really easy to use, and it gives you peace of mind every time you're on the road.